Hello, welcome back to my channel, T-Star Bakings. Today I will be showing you how to make this super soft, moist vanilla cake. This recipe is the best. Take it from me, guys. You don't even need cake flour, just your all-purpose flour. Come on now, let's see how to make this. Well, first, you need to start by adding your dry ingredients together. Cause yeah, we cannot add our wet ingredients first, right? So yes, the dry ingredients first. Swift that in and then give it a very quick mix. Keep that aside and then also butter and dust your pan with flour. And also after doing this, you are keeping this also aside. And then proceed to start mixing your wet ingredients. Give these 3 ingredients a very good mix until your butter, oil and sugar is so fluffy and has doubled in size, as you can see. After that, you will need to add your eggs one at a time and give it a mix also. So if this is your first time in my channel, guys, please do not leave here without subscribing. And also, if you enjoyed this video and if you try this recipe and it works out for you, then please comment down below in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. As you can see, I have added the remainder of my wet ingredients and I have also scraped the sides, and now I can proceed to add my wet and dry ingredients together. And as you can also see, I am interswitching the wet and the dry ingredients. That's my milk and my flour mixture. This is to make the mixing process easier and faster. Do not overmix this cake, guys. It may look as if I'm overmixing, but I am not. This cake should not be overmixed because we need the perfect moisture and the absolute softness. Share this within your pan and into the oven, and it is baked. It may look so brown or too brown, but it can always be scraped. I scraped it, and this is my ermine buttercream. Yes, this buttercream is made with flour and there is no icing sugar, just flour as its main ingredient. I don't know, it's not my best buttercream, but it is sure the best one for any easy dessert I make. And also I have the recipe on how I made this buttercream. It is so simple, and please do check it out if you are interested. I would be leaving a link at the end of this video for this. This process is just to beautify my cake and make the cake tastier, because yes, buttercream makes the cake tastier. It is time to serve. I need to show you the softness of this. The knife goes through easily because this cake is super soft and super moist. This is the best vanilla cake recipe I have ever come across or made. So guys, as I share this with you, please do try it and hopefully you like it too. Because like I said, this is the best vanilla recipe I have come across. Look how soft is it? The fork goes through super easy. Look. Oh, lumptious. Please give it a try and taste it, because I do not want to be tasting this alone. Since I don't want to taste it alone, this is for you. Have a bite. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.